Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change the language on Fiverr. Why would you want to know how to change the language on Fiverr? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to change the language on Fiverr. So today I am going to show you how to change the language on Fiverr. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are not understanding the default language or in some other cases willing to change language and don't know how to do that, don't worry, the process is very simple. First of all, open any browser and type fiverr.com at search bar. Here at the top you are seeing word logo that indicated language. Click on it. If you don't understand language and also don't have any translator right now, simply click on word logo. From here, select the language you want. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change the language on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.